this video tutorial you'll be shown how to make a large sugar rose. You'll be shown through the stages how to soften your petals, how to attach your petals to your rosebud, as well as shaping them. You'll also be shown what tools and what cutters you will need, also how to make the rose leaves, shown how to tape the leaves together and attach them to your rose, as well as making a small posy of roses and taping these together.